morning everyone! For today's video guys, nakikita nyo ba to? Ang laki-laki ng aking zucchini. Harvest time this morning guys. Kung gaano siya kalaki. Oh my gosh, interesting talaga guys kung gaano kalaki yan. Ayan sila. So, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Tirahin na natin yan. Harvestin na yan. Ayan na guys. Ayan na. Wow! Oh my God! Kita nyo ba gaano kalaki yan guys? Oh my gosh! It seems like 12, 13 inches. My gosh! This is super big. This is the first time that I plant this kind of giant